most hope-giving ayat of the Quran. These words, أَحْسَنَ مَا عَمِلُوا. It's a phrase used a number of times in the Quran. Allah says, so that Allah can give you the best of, or give them the best of what they used to do. Please understand this through an analogy. You take a class in mathematics, and you have 5 exams. First exam you got a 20. Second exam you got 100. Third exam you got a 20. Fourth exam you got a 20. Fifth exam you got a 20. How many times you get 100? And every other exam? So you fail the class or pass the class? You fail the class. Teacher says, I will take all of your 5 tests, and I will take the best score and multiply that by 5 and then give you a grade. Because it's 5 tests, I'll only count your best score. And I'll count that one 5 times over. Whoa, I just got 100. Because my best score was which one? 100. Now, is every day the best for you in your iman? Is every salah the best? No. Is every Ramadan the best? No. Definitely not. You know? Did you take full advantage of every Laylatul Qadr? I don't think so. Allah says, so I will compensate you for the best of what you did. Based on the best of what you did. He'll take the best Laylatul Qadr, and multiply it by all of your years. He'll take the best of your salah and act like all of your salawat were like that. He'll take the best of your sadaqah and make all of your sadaqah just as good. He'll raise the score for all of the others. He's willing to do that for people who just give him iqam as-salah wa ita az-zakah, and they want to connect their hearts to him. That's all he's asking for. What's he asking you for? He doesn't ask you for much. Ma uridu minhum min rizqin. I'm not asking them for money. Wa ma uridu an yut'imun. I don't want them to feed me. I'm the one who feeds them. You know, inna Allaha huwa ar-razzaqu dhul quwwati al-mateen. Allah asks you for very, very, very little. Just give him that and he'll give you a lot in return. You know, it's very little effort with huge returns. Huge returns. So he says, لِيَجْزِيَهُمُ اللَّهُ أَحْسَنَ مَا عَمِلُوا وَيَزِيدَهُم مِّن فَضْلِهِ. Maybe your best wasn't even that good. Maybe your best was a 20. And so your entire life is based on what? 20. That's not good enough. You're still failing. Allah says, I'll increase them from His own, He'll increase them from His own favor. Extra, He'll give them extra. Give him another 80 bonus points, it's okay. And then multiply that with 5. وَيَزِيدَهُم مِّن فَضْلِهِ. Some people just can't make it to Jannah on their own score. Just can't do it. And Allah will just throw in and throw in and throw in. وَيَزِيدَهُم مِّن فَضْلِهِ وَاللَّهُ يَرْزُقُ مَن يَشَاءُ بِغَيْرِ حِسَابٍ. And Allah, He provides whoever He wants without any restriction, any limitation. You tell me, is Jannah forever? Isn't it? And the wealth in Jannah, can you compare to the wealth in dunya? And the one who's willing to give you in Jannah endlessly, you doubt that He will give you in this world? You doubt He won't take care of you here? He's offering you much more expensive real estate. He's offering you much more expensive food, much more expensive healthcare than you will ever have in this life. And then we doubt when Allah does not give us for 2 days here. Or Allah holds back, يَقْبِضُ وَيَبْسُطُ. Allah holds back for 2 days and we say, oh, Ya Allah, it's so hard. Allah has a lot of wealth. He has a lot. And He's promising to make us rich forever. It's not expensive for Allah to help you in this life. So if He holds something back for you, it's for your own good. And when He gives you, it's at the right time for your own good. And maybe all of it is for your permanent wealth. Not for this wealth. You know? Like I told you, the best thing that ever happened to me was what? I got fired. It's the best rizq I ever had. Our VP, his best rizq was he wanted to go to med school. He used to be Hindu. He wanted to go to med school. And he had perfect scores. He didn't get into a single med school. He got rejected from all of them. Then he ended up doing a secondary degree in computer science, where he met some Muslims and became Muslim. Best thing that ever happened to him is he didn't go to med school. It's the best thing that ever happened to him. Don't underestimate how Allah gives rizq. You have your plans, Allah has His own plans. You know? وَاللَّهُ يَرْزُقُ مَن يَشَاءُ بِغَيْرِ حِسَابٍ. You know, and Allah gives whoever He wants without any limitations. Allahumma amilna bil fadli la bil adl. Oh Allah, deal with us with the extra. Don't deal with us with justice. Don't give us your justice. Give us your fadl. We want the extra. Because if He deals with us with justice, all we get is our 20s, if that. And don't give us your scale, because His scale is perfect. And if we're put on the scale, then we're no good. Now these ayat in which we are being given light, and that light increases us and increases us and increases us. That light comes from salah. And the light of salah comes from nur, which is inside you. What's the other nur? What's the other nur? Quran. So that whenever these two lights meet, it's like you experienced Allah all over again and you can see reality for what it is.